Good evening friends. Today we will be discussing about the Adaboost machine learning, and in this video we will do only the introduction part. Suppose. Now first word is our Adaboost. Adaboost means what? It is adaptive boosting. It is adaptive boosting. So why it is called an adaptive boosting? We all know that boosting is an ensemble algorithm, and what happens in boosting I have already told you, but let me again clear you. So first of all, what is a boosting? In boosting, what happens is that we combine a lot of weak learners in series, and all these weak learners are here. Okay. Now what is adaptive? Suppose I have my original data set, okay, which has n samples, and I pass it to my first weak learner model and then to the second, third and fourth. What will happen is that initially at the initial steps, the weight given to each row and each record will be same, so that our model give importance to all the records and it will predict something. Now suppose our first model predicted some of the data points wrong and some of the data points right. Okay, some wrong, some of them right. So what will happen is, from again passing the data set from here to here, the weights will be changed. Here the weight of the wrong predictions will be increased, so that the next model give more importance to the uh, data points which our previous model predicted wrong, and the points where right predictions were made, these weights were reduced. Similar thing will happen. The second model will also predict something wrong and something right. The weights of the wrong model will be updated and the weights of the right model, right points, will be decreased. So at last what will happen is, we will get a final and good and most accurate result, because as the data is passed from one point to another point, the weights are adjusted and the wrong predictions are made right. That's why it is called adaptive. That is the adjustment of the weight, so that our final output will be more accurate and more correct. Some of the most important points which you must know about the Adaboost is that here the models that we use are basically the decision trees which have only the split of 1 or 2. Okay, the decision tree with a split of 1 or depth of 1 is called a decision stump. Okay, and the second thing is the sequence learning, which I have already told you, that what happens, the next model tries to make the predictions right of the wrong data points. And third is the weight mechanism, that is updation of the weight to get the most accurate result. And the last is the where we get a final strong learner with a most high accuracy thing. So what are the advantages of using this Adaboost? Adaboost is something which increases our accuracy, weak learners to strong learner. And second is simple and effective method. And third one is the outliers and noise sensitive. Okay, so you must be clear with this. Thank you.